having been lucky enough, and by the way, it is an equal amount of luck to it is talent, but I think the beauty of a future in the music, as being a musician or in our industry, is it's an amazing. We're so fortunate and lucky to not only be creating music, but then to make money and actually have this as a job is just incredibly exciting. And it's not easy. And if it was easy, everybody would do it. You know, it doesn't come easy. You've got to, just like anything else, you've got to do your 10,000 hours. And by the way, you know, that's I don't know if you've heard, I'm sure they've heard that before, but it's not bullshit. You really have to do that 10,000 hours and it will come. It will come. And I think it you know, I remain extremely excited about it. And I'm excited to hear have people pitch us, because I'm sure there's some incredible talent out there. But, you know, it's all the same old bits of advice that anyone wise, and I'm not wise, but anyone wise will always give you. You just got to keep plugging away no matter what people say. I had a real job. I sold car polish door to door. That's all character building. It all helps create great music in the future.